Good morning, Year 4, and welcome to your last reading lesson of the week, which is Friday the 5th of March, and we are learning to comprehend. So we will be able to read and discuss the text, work out what the questions mean, and know how to answer using our reading skills, and check and edit our work. So we are still working on our fable, Aesop's fable, The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse, and the story is the same from yesterday. So take a minute to pause the video and reread the story. From yesterday, what does compare mean and what does contrast mean? Well, do you remember that compare is when you're finding things that are similar, and when you're contrasting, you're finding things that are different. So just in this part, we talked about how fresh peas and corn was different to the other fable we read, which said that they ate, I want to say, dried fruit and nuts. I hope I've remembered that correctly. Remember to look at vocabulary as you're reading it, so pause the video and read this page. Do you know what ventured means? The mice ventured out. It means that they were just going out to explore, something called tentatively, being a bit careful. They wanted to venture out into this new world. Another word that's linked to that is adventure. Have you noticed that? Pause the video and read this section. What are prunes? Do you know what they are? Well, they are a type of fruit. They are a dried food. Have a look, see if you can find a picture of them on the internet. Maybe you've got some in your cupboard at home. Now you're going to go to Teams for some mixed comprehension questions on here because it's our Friday mixed comprehension. And I just want you to consider as well at the end, have you enjoyed this fable? What have you learned from it? Please explain why you've enjoyed it or not. And tell me what you've learned from it. So what moral have you gained from it? And for a challenge, could you write your own version of the fable? So remember to stick to Town Mouse and Country Mouse, but what would be different perhaps about their homes? What would be the thing that scares them? And what would be different that they ate? Fantastic. Right, well, good luck thinking about that. And we'll see you next week at school for your reading lessons when we're back to Varjak Paw. Well done for keeping up the home learning. Take care.